ay nasa investigasyon kasalukuyan,
Yes,
Mr.
but you
Chair.
are not an investigator. Why are you asking me to answer?
Mr. Chair, tinatanong ko lang naman.
Be signed today instead of tomorrow. Will you be fine with that, Mr. President?
Anong kapalit, sir?
Hindi,
Sampaling ko siya sa publiko.
hindi, wala naman.
Ano ngayon na?
Wala pong ganunan.
Mr. Chairman.
I'll give you, sasampaling ko sa
Mr. Chairman.
Session suspended.
Sabi kang investigador, you may hawak ka ng affidavit dyan, executed by another person, and you're trying to confront me with the statements made in that affidavit, and you're trying to